What is meditation and why should we meditate? Is it something natural like breathing, seeing, or hearing? If it is natural, why have we turned it into something so unnatural? Think about it, taking specific postures, following rigid systems, Buddhist meditation, Tibetan meditation, Christian meditation, Tantra meditations. Perhaps you've heard of these or even practiced them. And then there are meditations prescribed by your favorite guru. But let's ask ourselves, aren't all these approaches in a way abnormal? Why must I sit in a particular way to meditate? Why should I practice to reach where exactly? Consider this: you follow a system, 20 minutes in the morning, 20 in the afternoon, 20 in the evening, all to quiet the mind. But then, having achieved a bit of calm, you go off and indulge in the same mischief for the rest of the day. Isn't this how many people approach meditation? These are real facts. Now, is there a way to meditate that doesn't involve all these routines and systems? Traditionally, meditation is seen as a means to quiet the mind, to cultivate the ability to observe. It's about having a mind that's completely focused, so much so that there's no room for scattered thoughts. The idea is to concentrate on one thought, one image, one center. Perhaps you've explored these methods. Half an hour of this, 10 minutes of that, and found them meaningless. This brings us to a crucial question. Who is the controller and who is being controlled? If you observe, our entire life is about control. I must control my emotions. I must control my thoughts. And how do we achieve this control? Through constant practice and adherence to systems. But systems are mechanical, aren't they? They make the mind more mechanical, more dull. And yet we persist. Why? If you're meditating according to some method, ask yourself why. Is it because you're seeking an experience? Maybe you've turned away from drugs because you know they're harmful. So now you're looking for a similar experience through meditation. But have you ever questioned why we crave experiences? Is it because the mind is asleep, needing a challenge to wake it up? Or is it because we're bored with the everyday experiences? Sex, drugs, entertainment, and it's searching for something greater, more thrilling. Why does the mind demand experience? A mind that constantly craves experience is a restless mind, and a mind that is clear and free from attachment has no need for experiences. It is a light unto itself. Such a mind doesn't seek. There is nothing to seek. You cannot experience truth or enlightenment because experience requires an experiencer. If there's no experiencer, there's no experience. Do you see this? Yet we're attached to the idea of the experiencer. We're always asking for more. More insight, more enlightenment, more transformation. This is the essence of most meditative practices today. Systems, postures, breathing techniques, all aimed at achieving the ultimate experience. But this pursuit becomes a constant struggle. And here's the paradox. We struggle endlessly, hoping to end struggle. Think about this carefully. Struggling to end struggle. Isn't that a trick we play on ourselves? We're caught in a loop of time, always hoping that someday in the future the struggle will cease. But why not ask instead, why should I struggle at all? If we could end the struggle here and now, wouldn't that be true enlightenment? To live without any shadow of conflict. Isn't that what meditation should truly be about? Thanks for spending your time with us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking insights. Until next time, take care.